Ta William Samuel Ruto nigagendrete kuburiwa kwenekia bunango bategerera abasae nabo igo kuburiwa kwenekia bunango siriare obokurumi ase chiabisi egakogora obokurumi ase chiabisi nyinge nabo irere mechande menge kwenekiwa imense ya Kenya gati abokurobekana ugo kugendrete kurawa n'abasae bekegori ya Gen Z ayangorengana n'umuteneneri kurwase ABC yomo seneta bwe county ya Kisii aserieta Violet Nyanganyi.
Mine is to let all our leaders know, led by our president, that we have very resilient people on the ground. Kenyans are very hardworking people. Kenyans are people who, given the support, are able to run this country without a problem. Right now, the problem that we have in the country is just one, Mr. President. Corruption, corruption, and corruption. If only this can be curbed from the top all the way to the bottom, it can really help these kind of groups to grow, to make sure that that their economic statuses are upgraded. And if all these resources can trickle down to the common mwananchi, honestly, all these issues that we have as a country would really just go away. So kindly, Mr. President, wherever you are, listen to your people. And there's only one problem that you need to sort, and that is the problem of corruption.